guys, Irvin Awesome 1000 back with another video. Sorry I sound a little crunky, crunky for something because I sound a little quiet because I do not want to wake up my parents because they're asleep, and I'm gonna get kicked in the ass if I wake them up in some reason. Let's go to Heaven Garden, and let's start the match. I'm no British here. This is not going to be British because I don't speak British. That's not how you British. Oh, actually, my parents are kind of awake. I don't know. The gorilla rifle. I think I'm gonna change the sound. I think I have to do a gorilla rifle. I need to do a deathmatch next round. Unless I have a free gun, then I'm gonna be happy to buy it. If it's a strong gun I love. Killing headshots! There's like 100. I'm using like 100 headshots here. I'm gonna use this one. The gorilla rifle isn't too good, but I still prefer it. It's a big scope. I like it, but I like. Oh! Come on, the blue team! You can defeat the red team. Where is that? I've been defeated again. I'm quitting this match. I'm gonna go to deathmatch, where everything is death. Death and destruction. Let's go to deathmatch and Coliseum, because this is smaller map and that's where I get some of my best gameplay in the universe. Sometimes somewhere else I get my best gameplay in the universe. I like deathmatch. It's pretty like my best era thing I ever done. Deathmatch. Deathmatch. Doof match. Doofy match. Goofy match. Oh, come on. I hope you enjoyed this episode, guys. Tell me in the comments if you want me to upgrade it or not upgrade it. I mean, whatever.